Dictation of advanced physiography. So we ready? One, two, three. Start. United States of America. Economy, economic, economic measures, economic development, economic development of the country. I take this opportunity. I take this opportunity to say a few words. Financial institutions by all employees of the company. This is neither the time nor the occasion. This is neither the time nor the occasion. As has already been mentioned, as has already been mentioned, value payable post within the range of possibility year in and year out. This is neither here nor there. This is neither there nor here. Throughout the country, throughout the length and breadth of the country, movable property, poverty, immovable property, movable property, freehold property, agriculture raw materials, at once, better results, better results, best results, better quality, into the fact that you have arbitrary rules, your kind inquiry, public sector, public sector undertaking, private sector undertaking, public sector units, private sector units, public and private sector, private and public sector, at the end of the month, at the end of the week, at the end of the year, at the end of the debate, at the end of the discussion, I rise to say a few words in the full-fledged form, in the full-fledged form. In the meantime, as mentioned by you, living in the rural areas, in response to your letter, foreign exchange position, industrial development of the state, foreign exchange resources, it will be, which will be, they will be in connection with this matter. It is a matter, it is a matter of great pleasure, as I have said, personal attention, personal attention to this matter, personal attention to this problem, as it may be necessary in connection with this question, personal attention to this question, government's economic policy, union minister, union law minister, union health minister, in regard to the fact that union public service commission to meet the channel challenge. I am glad to report, I am glad to inform you, I am very glad to report, I am glad to understand, I am very glad to understand. It must be borne in mind from the point of view, from other point of view, from every point of view, from this point of view, from this point of view, from that point of view, law and order position, law and order situation. I thank you for your inquiry. Constitutional reforms, there are one or two. Honorable finance minister, honorable health minister, honorable law minister, honorable prime minister. There are several other features. Comparatively short time, comparatively long time, we therefore request, it may become necessary, it has become necessary, which may become necessary, which has become necessary on the part of our iron and steel industries at the forthcoming meeting. At the forthcoming meeting, we are sorry to inform you, we are sorry to inform you, it is extremely difficult. Weaker sections of the society, there is no other consideration, there is no other consideration. I sincerely thank you. In every part of the country, there is another question, beyond the necessities of the case at the earliest possible by the manner in which in the manner in which for the manner in which all over the world by the manner in which there is for the manner in which there is I would like to speak to you. I would like to submit on more than one question to a greater extent. This will be possible. We will deal with the matter by the fact that there is though there is with best wishes. Please let us know. Please let us know whether do you think there is. I am sorry to say that you about your experiment, about your requirements, advantage of the people assuring you, but that is not certain amount of considerable advantage, considerable advantage enclosed. Please find for the good of the people, for the good of the people. Industrial exhibition. I do not know. We have. I thank you. I thank you once again. All sorts and conditions.